It's not looking good, Donald. More signs of Donald Trump's physical and mental health rapidly deteriorating are surfacing every week. For instance, when Trump returned to Washington, D.C. from Mar-a-Lago, his taxpayer-funded hideout, his posture was bent, he appeared frail, and his gait was noticeably unstable. Some observers remarked that he resembled his late mother Mary in her later years. Mary Trump suffered from severe osteoporosis, which could explain why the resemblance is striking. Yesterday, Trump held another Oval Office press conference with the head of FIFA. These events seem routine now, but each one raises concerns about his health. During this event, Trump continuously hid his hands from the press. Last week, he used heavy makeup to conceal discoloration and other visible issues on his hands. Official statements claimed he suffers from chronic venous insufficiency. This condition is common in older adults, contributing to swelling, discoloration, and reduced mobility. Trump frequently projects his condition onto others. Recently, he called Marjorie Taylor Greene Marjorie Trader Brown, saying she is rotting inside and out. Observers note that such descriptions may reflect his own physical and mental state. Cardiologists and public health experts have questioned his health transparency, especially after he mentioned receiving an MRI but not knowing which body part was scanned. This is medically improbable, as full-body MRIs take 15 to 45 minutes, and patients are fully aware of the scanned areas. During public appearances, Trump often appears incoherent. Press members have commented on his rough voice and disoriented speech patterns. He explains these incidents with statements like, "I blew my stack during a phone call," which leave audiences confused and concerned. At another event with McDonald's franchise owners, he rambled about renaming the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America, debated over whether the American dream should be 2 words or 3, and even made nonsensical gestures mimicking fish. These public displays illustrate both cognitive decline and lack of coherence. Dr. Vin Gupta, a pulmonologist leading Midas Health, explains that such MRI confusion is unusual. Even for high-profile individuals, MRIs are not suitable as primary screening tools. They lead to false positives, unnecessary biopsies, overtreatment, and possible harm. Claims that these scans were part of a routine executive physical are misleading. Advanced imaging should only occur with clear clinical indications, particularly in older adults with suspected cognitive or vascular issues. Trump's policies have compounded concerns about his judgment and decision-making. In Missouri, a major battery plant project that would have created 1,000 jobs collapsed overnight. Trump withdrew a $200 million federal grant, citing regulatory issues. In New Jersey, a large offshore wind project capable of powering 1 million homes was canceled. Electricity prices in New Jersey surged by 21% in a single year. Across the country, solar plants, EV battery factories, and clean energy projects face closures, layoffs, and canceled investments. Overall, more than 158,000 clean energy jobs have been lost since Trump assumed office. Meanwhile, the administration has opened millions of acres of Alaskan wilderness to drilling and mining, ignoring indigenous communities and environmental safeguards. This isn't just poor policy, it's an attack on the American economy, workers, and long-term sustainability. Historically, Trump's health has been opaque. Mysterious visits to Walter Reed in 2019 and 2020 fueled speculation about hidden medical issues. Physical exam reports claimed he weighed 220 pounds, although visual observation suggests otherwise. Swollen ankles, discolored hands, and instability while walking have been evident in multiple public appearances. Advanced imaging, cognitive testing, and other interventions indicate concern for vascular or neurological health. However, transparency remains limited, leaving the public and medical community in the dark. Trump shows clear signs of accelerated aging. Decreased alertness, inconsistent speech, and physical frailty are evident. Cognitive testing repeated multiple times in 2025 raises questions about the rationale. MRIs may serve as secondary diagnostic tools for detecting vascular or neurological conditions. Yet the lack of clarity fuels speculation and concern among experts and the public alike. Editorializing within his medical summaries, such as commenting on his golf performance, undermines the credibility of official health reports. Medical professionals are trained to report objective observations and assessment plans. Flowery language and anecdotal commentary are not standard practice in professional evaluations. These anomalies raise questions about the integrity of Trump's reported medical records. Midas Health has provided independent analysis throughout these events. Dr. Gupta and his team have interviewed top public health experts, providing critical context and factual analysis often absent in mainstream reporting. Their mission is to counter misinformation and provide audiences with reliable insights. Subscribe to News Today 8 on audio or MidasPlus.com for in-depth interviews and expert commentary. Trump's health decline mirrors broader policy chaos. From flawed healthcare proposals that give Americans $2,000 to negotiate insurance, to dismantling structures without credible alternatives, clean energy initiatives are being canceled, jobs lost, electricity costs rising, and U.S. competitiveness in green technology is declining. Physical decline, cognitive concerns, and erratic public appearances compound these policy risks. Observers note an urgent need for transparency, accountability, and credible decision-making. Comment below and share your thoughts on clean energy, climate policy, healthcare, and the future of American leadership. Your voice matters in shaping public discourse. Subscribe to independent media, support News Today 8, and help us reach 6 million subscribers. Unlock exclusive content, access free videos, and enjoy custom emojis by becoming a member. Gift memberships to others and join the effort to grow an informed, critical, and empowered community. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and always question what you see. Because the health of leaders and the policies they enact have lasting consequences for all Americans.